In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a landing page on WordPress.com. Whether you're developing content for a personal project or a business, creating a compelling landing page can significantly enhance your online presence. Let's start by setting the scene. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to WordPress.com. Once there, navigate to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before moving on. After logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress.com homepage. From here, look at the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu panel. Locate and click on Pages. This section is where you'll create and manage all the pages for your website. Next, within the Pages section, find the option labeled Add Page and give that a click. This will take you to a new screen where WordPress offers various templates for your new page. Take a moment to browse through these templates, selecting one that aligns best with your vision for the landing page. Clicking on the selected template will open it in the editor. Once your chosen template is open, you'll see various editing tools available to you. These tools are designed to help you customize your page easily. Take advantage of the drag and drop functionality, allowing you to rearrange sections as needed. Play around with the color schemes, fonts, and layout to suit your branding or personal style. Now let's focus on the content. At the top of your page, you'll see a title box. Click on it and type in the title for your landing page. A strong, catchy title can attract viewers and set the tone for what to expect. With the layout set and content ready, you can move on to editing specific page blocks. Click on any section of your landing page to open further editing options. This allows you to tweak text, add images, and format it all to your liking. WordPress.com gives you the flexibility to make your landing page truly unique. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your edits, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Look for the Publish button and click on it. Your landing page will be live for the world to see. Take a moment to review the final product by visiting the URL where your landing page is hosted. And there you have it, a fully customized landing page designed with ease right on WordPress.com. By following these steps, you've created a digital space that can captivate and inform your audience. Thanks for watching, and remember, great content begins with a standout landing page. Happy designing!